Now, Article 15, paragraph 2 of the India-USA Treaty covers what is the meaning of the term professional services, right? When we were looking at paragraph 1, it said the independent services, right? But there was a reference to the word professional services, right? So it's important to understand what are professional services which are going to get covered under this article. So the term professional services includes, which means there are other activities which can also be covered here: independent scientific, literary, artistic, educational, or teaching activities. Now, you must be wondering, why have we highlighted these two words? Here the reference is to activities themselves. It says independent scientific, literary, artistic, educational, or teaching activities, right? It doesn't matter who's providing these services, right? As long as the activities are of a scientific, literary, artistic, educational, or teaching nature, they are covered in the first limb of this definition, as well as the independent activities of. Now, instead of reference to the type of activity, here the reference is to the person or the provider of the activity. So the independent activity of physicians, surgeons, lawyers, engineers, architects, dentists, and accountants, right? So if any of these people are providing services in their independent characters, right, not as an employee, then those are covered under Article 15 here, and generally under Article 14, right? Whereas if there is a service of an independent scientific, literary, artistic, or educational nature, right, there the reference is to the activity.